Your Samsung TV turns on, but there's nothing on the screen. No picture, just black. It's a frustrating problem, especially when the sound works or the standby light is on, but the display stays blank. In this video, I will show you how to fix the black screen issue with simple steps you can try at home. The first thing you should try is a basic power reset. Go ahead and unplug your Samsung TV from the power outlet. Just pull the plug out completely. Now wait for about 30 seconds. This short pause gives the TV a chance to reset and clear out any small issues that might be causing the black screen. After 30 seconds, plug the TV back into the outlet and turn it on. Sometimes this simple step is all it takes to fix the problem. If the screen lights up, you're good to go. If not, don't worry, we'll move on to the next step. Unplug the TV from the power outlet once again. This time, find the physical power button on your TV. Depending on your model, it could be on the bottom center, left, or right side of the screen. Once you've located it, press and hold that power button for 60 seconds while the TV is still unplugged. This helps to discharge any leftover power inside the TV that might be causing the black screen. After holding it for a full minute, let go of the button, plug the TV back in, and turn it on. If the screen stays black, try repeating this step 5 to 6 times before moving on. Now take a look at the red standby light on your TV. This small light is usually located near the bottom edge. If it's solid red, that means the TV is getting power, but something might be wrong with the display. If the light is blinking, it could be showing an error. And if there's no light at all, your TV might not be receiving any power. Next, try plugging your TV into a different wall outlet. Make sure you connect it directly into the wall and not through a surge protector or extension cord, for now. Also, check that the plug is firmly inserted. A loose or faulty power connection can sometimes be the reason for a black screen. Now check the devices connected to your TV. Disconnect anything plugged into the HDMI ports like a cable box, gaming console, or streaming device. Then reconnect them one by one to see if any of them are causing the black screen. Try switching the HDMI cable to a different port on the TV as well. You can also use the source or input button on your TV or remote to cycle through the different inputs and make sure you're on the right one. If you still don't see anything on the screen, try this. In a dark room, shine a flashlight very close to the TV screen. Look closely to see if you can spot a faint image or some kind of movement on the display. If you do see something, it means the screen is working, but the backlight isn't. In that case, the backlight might need to be fixed by a technician. That's it for this video on how to fix a Samsung TV with a black screen. I hope these step-by-step methods help you get your screen working again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Got any questions? Or did one of these steps work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what worked in your case. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.